Hello everyone, this is Adnan with 360 IT Academy training, and in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to work with App Service and App Service Plan. App Service and App Service Plan are basically a PaaS service within Azure with which you can host websites, web apps, and mobile apps. So it's a fully managed platform building, deploying, and scaling your web apps. Plus, it's a fully managed web hosting service, and throughout the world, people use it for small websites and for large websites as well. So in order to work with App Service or App Service Plan, you just need to remember two things. You need to buy a service plan in order to host a website in App Service. So basically, it's exactly like when you buy a laptop. Laptop has a hardware and an operating system. So hardware has CPU and memory, and whereas the operating system lets you install applications and work with the application. So in this case, this is App Service Plan is basically the hardware, and App Service is where you host a website. It's that easy. So in this, and basically we use it to host websites. Just remember that. And in the lab, I'm going to show you how to work with this and how easy it is to implement a website. So let's meet in the lab.